Hi, this is Tracy Cunningham, Director of Operations at On Point, and I am here to share just a few of my favorite things. One of them is this right behind us. It is our Christmas tree, and my husband and I love nature. And so when it gets cold outside, we like to bring some of that joy inside. So I'm going to move out of the way so you all can see a bit. We have deer and a little fox and some bears and an owl or two, but just love to bring some of the joy of nature inside of our home. The other thing is Christmas breakfast, and so I make a tomato tart and my Aunt Joyce's famous ambrosia. So I will stick that recipe in the description or comments below. And the last thing is we have a lot of Jewish friends who celebrate Hanukkah at this time of year. So last year was my first time ever trying to make latkes, which are essentially sort of a fried potato pancake that you smother in deliciousness. They're wonderful, so I will stick that recipe below as well. We hope you have a very merry, a very happy, and a very safe holiday season.